Hello children, welcome to your math class. Now we are already doing our lesson 2, that is addition and subtraction of greater numbers. Now the topic which we are going to do today is subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. And learning outcome means what you are going to learn after doing this topic. You will be able to know the method of subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. So let's start. Now before we learn the method of subtraction of 3-digit numbers, first we'll do some revision. You have already done subtraction in when we were doing subtraction in semester 1 book. So you already know, so ma'am is doing a revision here, that 110 is equal to how many ones? Yes, 10 ones. So 110 is equal to 10 ones. And 100 is equal to how many tens? 10 tens. So 110 is equal to 10 ones and 100 is equal to 10 tens. So you should know all these values and you should learn it also. Now before we start with subtraction of 3-digit numbers, first we will revise subtraction of 2-digit numbers, which you have already done in your semester 1 book. So let us start. So the numbers here are 81 and 46. So you have to subtract 46 from 81. So first we'll see the digits given at ones place. Here the digits are 1 and 6. So children, you can see the digit which is there on top is smaller than the digit written under it. Okay, so here in this case, when the digit written on the top is smaller, in this case what you have to do, you will borrow from the digit given at tens place. Okay, so here it is 1. So this 8, the digit which is at tens place, it will give 1 borrow. Okay, so it will give 110, and then as you all know that 110 is equal to 10 ones. So this one, it will become 10 plus 1. This is 10 ones. Okay, so this 8, it has given 110, and now it has become 10 ones plus 1, that is 11 ones. Okay, now it is 11. Now you have to subtract 6 from 11. Okay, and this 8, it has given 110, so it will become 7 because it has given 1. Okay, and now this 11, so 11 minus 6. So children, you can draw 11 lines: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 minus 6, cross out 6 lines: 1 2 3 4 5 6. How much left? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 11 minus 6, children, it is 5. Now here it is 7 tens and 4. So now we will subtract 4 from 7. So okay, so draw 7 lines: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you have to subtract 4. So cross out 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and how much is left? Yes, 3. So your answer is 35. So this way children, this is for 2-digit numbers, subtraction of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Same way we will do with 3-digit. Let's see. Okay, now here the 3-digit numbers are 872 and 253. So children, you have to subtract 253 from 872. And you already know children that whenever we do subtraction, whether it is with regrouping or without regrouping, the bigger number it is written on the top. Okay. So now the digits at ones place are 2 and 3. Again, you can see, children, the digit on the top is 2 and under it is written 3. So on the top the digit is smaller one. So in this case again we have to take borrow. So again, children, this 7, it will give 1 10 and then it will become 10 ones plus 2, because as we have already revised that 110 is equal to 10 ones. So 10 plus 2 is 12 and this 7, it has given 110, so it will be reduced by 1, that is it will become 6 because it has given. Okay, so it will be decreased by 1 and it will be 6, and this 2, it has got 110, that is 10 ones, so 10 plus 2, it will be 12. Okay, children, now here it is 12. So 12 minus 3. Okay, so you can draw 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now cross out 3 lines. 1, 1, 2, 3. And how many lines left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Now here at tens place, the digits are 6 and 5. And what is 6 minus 5? Yes, it is 1. Now we will subtract. Now one more place value is there, that is hundreds, because we are doing subtraction of 3-digit numbers. So here 8 is there. So we will be doing 8 minus 2. Okay. So you can use your finger, you can draw 8 lines. Okay. Now we will draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then we will cross out 2. Now how much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So children, what is the answer? Yes, it is 619. So this way, children, you have to follow each and every step of subtraction and borrowing, and then you are supposed to do subtraction of 3-digit in this way only with regrouping. Okay, children, now we'll do one more questions of 3-digit numbers only. Okay, now we have already learned the method, so we will follow those steps only one by one. So again, see the digits given at ones place. Here the digits are 1 and 4. Again, children, see the digit given on top. It is smaller than the digit which is written under it. So whenever a digit written on the top is smaller, in that case, what you have to do? Yes, you have to take borrow. So we will take borrow from the tens place. So this tens place, this 3, it will give 110. And when it will give 110, it will become 2 because it has given 1. Okay. So now this ones place, it will take 110s, and we have already learned that 110 is equal to 10 ones. So here at ones place, it will be 10 ones plus 1. So it will be, yes, 11. Now this 1 is 11. So now we will subtract 4 from 11. Okay. So now children, we will draw 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you have to subtract 4. So cross out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So children, 11 minus 4 is 7. Now we have done with the ones place. Now next, see the digits given at tens place. Now here the digits are 2 and 3. Again, children, see the digit which is written on the top, that is 2. It is smaller than the digit written under it. Again in that case, now again what you have to do, again you have to take one borrow. So now it is tens place. Now you will take borrow from, yes, the hundreds place digit. So here it is 5. So in this case children, this 5, it will give 100 and it will become 4. 5 minus 1 is 4 and it has given 100. So children, we have already learned that 100 is equal to 10 tens. So this will become 10 tens plus 2 tens, that is 12. Now this 2, it will become 12. Now we will subtract this 3 from 12. Okay. Now in this case children, we will draw 12 lines and then we will cross out 3. Okay, now draw 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And you have to subtract 3. So cross out 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Now how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So children, 3 subtracted from 12, what you have got? Yes, you have got 9. Okay, now we have done with the tens digit place also. Now see the digits are given at hundreds place. Now the digits are 4 and 1. So now the digit which is written on the top is bigger one only. So 4 minus 1. So it is, yes, it is 3. So what is the answer children? It is 397. So children, in this way you have to do when in both the cases, that is ones and tens place, the digit on the top is smaller. So this way you have to take borrow, and in this method only step by step you have to do subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping.